we finally have the water spraying into the pool, and Eric is apparently approving greatly of this because he loves this sort of stuff. Oh yeah, this is fun. Boys in the Hood. Boys in the Roby Park in Nashua.
Yep. Dad, there's a cool car.
Number whatever to own a backhoe. It makes scooping the old pool water out of the kiddie pool easier and recycling it to water the trees because we have such a drought. There we go. Maybe we can keep these trees from dying off, it'd be good. Very dry summer here in New England, and just doing the best we can. So that's that maple. We got this silver maple. I've been watering them a little bit, but why not show some more techniques, right? Pour it on the uphill side, it runs down. That's the story.